The Missoula City-County Health Department reports 6 cases of whooping cough and has identified more than 300 close contacts who may have been exposed. Now, according to the Cascade City-County Health Department, there are currently no cases of whooping cough reported in Cascade County. Public health nurse Bowen Tristensen says the beginning stages of the illness start out like any other type of respiratory illness with a mild cough, runny nose, and watery eyes. After a week, the cough will become more and more intense. Tristensen says this is an illness that can land anybody in the hospital, especially if you are not vaccinated.
Missoula is close by and we're in the summertime, so people travel a lot more back and forth, so that kind of increases our risk. If anybody has questions about their immunization status, they can call the health department and we can usually pull that information up and verify that you are protected against whooping cough.
Now, if you believe you may have whooping cough, it's best to call your health provider first before going to the office and putting others at risk.